Pawpaw, Sammy, and Allybug here. I know I have preached about no-till for years. Right now, it's 7:30 in the morning. The temperature is 93 degrees. The heat index is up, I don't know, above 100. I hadn't even checked this morning. And the humidity is absolutely unbelievable. Okay, I'm showing you my tomatoes. I don't plant much anymore. I'm 82 years old. But I keep my beds prepped, whether I plant or not, every year. Put your cardboard down, throw the leaves and stuff on top, and just let it sit. Now, my daughter, Starkey's Farmstead, brought me some tomatoes here 3 or 4 weeks ago, and I set them out. She brought me some pumpkins, and I set them out, and some squash, hot peppers, eggplant, and over here in the other one with my fig tree, I have some bell peppers. Now, you know, I'll play with it. I don't plant it much anymore, but I prep it every year. This is my ginger. I love ginger. And you can tell by looking, ginger tea. My blackberries that died back, the heat got to them. Anyway, what I'm trying to say, people, is this. My neighbor had 3 raised beds. He must have put $1,000. He had the uptown variety. I mean, by me, it's a miracle. He put all that fill dirt in them, planted them. It wasn't even a year he tore them down. Too much work, Mr. Sam. He said, all the grass growing. All he had to do is just what I do right here. Look, you see this old cardboard? Look at it. All up in here is cardboard. Now you see a few sprigs of grass. What I'll do when this harvest is out, I'll just lay down more cardboard, more leaves, wet it down good and forget about it. If I plant next year, fine. If I don't have to worry about pulling weeds and chopping and all that. There's an easy way to do it. But what stops most people from doing no-till like I did him is the first year, you're not going to do good. This is actually second year right here. The first year, your ground is still hard and clay. And over a period of one winter or two, or summer, all the decaying matter, the worms and all working, the next year, crop's better. The third year crop is unbelievable. And you don't have to pull grass, you don't have to break your back or work in this heat. Nobody wants to come out here in this kind of heat and pull grass and hoe. You come out early in the morning, water your plants if it hadn't rained, and forget about them. Like and subscribe.